Hello guys, welcome back to the universe of Tech Hub. In this tutorial, we will learn how to do email spam detection mini project using a artificial intelligence and machine learning. Email spam or ham detection involves the building a machine learning model to classify emails as either spam, unwanted, unsolicited, or messages, or ham, legitimate, or non-spam messages. This is an essential application of natural language processing and classification of algorithms. Aim of this project is to improving a email filtering and reducing the impact of spam on users. The objective of this model is to build a spam detection model. Develop a machine learning model is to distinguish between a spam and ham emails and automate emails classification, automate the process of sorting a spam from legitimate emails, improve the email security also, reduce the risk of malware and unwanted promotions through an accurate spam or detection system, compare models, evaluate the performance of different classifiers, example SVM, logistic regressions, and random forest to identify the best performing model. A widely used for dataset for spam detection containing a balanced set of ham and spam email. First, we need to know the steps for implementation of this project. Steps to implement the project: data collection and loading. First step is data collection and loading, importing the dataset containing a emails messages labeled as spam or ham. Data pre-processing. Next step is data pre-processing. Prepare the data sets for machine learning by handling a missing values, normalizing text data, and encoding a categorical variables. The next step is model selection. Choose an appropriate machine learning algorithm for classifying emails as spam or ham. Implement various classifiers such as a Navi bias, SVM, and logistic regression and decision tree and random forest. Then fourth step is model evaluation. The object is to evaluate the performance of different models using a relevant metrics. The fifth step is to create a visual representation of model performance and spam detection results. The last step is to spam detection. Deploy the best performing model to classify the new mails as spam or ham. Create a function that takes a new email message as the input and returns the classification. In this, import pandas as a pandas. First, we need to go to the implementation, data exploration, data pre-processing, data cleaning. In these steps, first we need to load the data sets. Then we need to detecting a missing value using this code and train a Navi bias classifiers and convert text data to numerical data using a count vectorizer. Then I split the data into a training and testing set and calculate the accuracy and print the classification report. Then function to predict if a message is spam or ham. First I run this code. It shows categories, missing values, memory usage, and missing values, accuracy. And I type the message hello. It shows a classified as ham message. Then I move to the next algorithm using KNN and SVM and Navi bias. Import the matplotlib and Seaborn and NumPy using a dictionary to stores the model performance. This line shows the model names and accuracy scores. This is the bar plot implementation code. This is the scatter plot implementation. This is the accuracy comparison of different models using KNN and using SVM and using Navi bias. Navi bias is the highest accuracy, then SVM, then KNN algorithm. This is the scatter plot, spam ham messages. This is the logistic regression model. Logistic regression model. This is the logistic regression model. Then we train the model using this code, then predict and evaluate the model, and we plot the matrices. This is the confusion matrix or logistic regression. This is the actual positive and this is the actual negative. This is the actual negative, this is the actual positive. This is the predicted negative and predicted positive. This is all about the logistic regression. This is the decision tree model. Using this line to train the model, then predict using this and evaluate the model accuracy. Next, we need to plot the matrix decision tree. The next one is accuracy comparison model. This is the accuracy comparison of different models like model A, model B and model C or model D using bar plots. This is the example of usage. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment in this video.